Alright, let's take a woods walk. So it's April 23, 2022. It rained hard yesterday. And we are officially flooded. So this is the yard. You can't tell, but it is very soppy and wet. And over here, well, we got the tree house. And it's official. We are flooded. The marsh has broke loose. I don't know if you can see that. You got some Canadian geese over there. I think they're mad at me. But the tree house is flooded. The marsh on the side of the driveway is flooded. And the doghouse is flooded. I gotta watch my step. That is Satan's creation, known as the Canadian geese.
I like you my gifts.
I joke, but they're a pain in the butt. If you can believe it, by September, all this water will be gone. There'll be nothing left. There's a plank. I'm not going to walk on it. I'm not going to walk the plank. It's tempting. This is my pallet of bricks, which is now underwater. The yard is soaking wet. Oh yeah. I couldn't mow with my lawnmower if I wanted to. But yeah, we got water right up to the edge of the grass. Look at this. Ugh. I can't even walk in this stuff. My yard is like mud. But yeah, this is where in the fall I dump my leaves. You can see my leaf pile there. It kind of composts. But yeah, there's no composting right now. I gotta wait for this water to recede. So that is the good news. This is as high as it's gonna get. We had a thunderstorm last night. It rained all day. We're not supposed to get rain for 7 days. So it's amazing how fast this water will recede. Because it will. And when this water's gone, I'll get my pitchfork out and flip all these leaves over and try to get them to compost better. So the Canadian geese have a temporary home because this will all be gone, like I said. There is a land bridge kind of where those geese are right now. If you can see the grass growing through the water. That water is only about 2 feet deep there, and then you got the pond in the back. So as this water recedes, there'll be like a wall of land that will wall off the pond, and then you'll just have pond. So yeah, the woods is flooded back there. This is all flooded. I wonder if they laid eggs somewhere and that's why they're mad at me. They won't shut up. Alright, so yeah, it's very wet. I've never seen it this flooded because this is my first spring in this house. We moved in October, so this is new to me, but the previous owner told me this will happen every spring. Have no fear, it will recede. There's some greenery. Those might be flowers coming through there. I'm not sure if those are flowers or not. We will find out. And when so after the water recedes, I'm probably gonna have to wait. Let's see, it's April 23. We're in April, May. I'm probably gonna have to wait till June to clean out this marsh. You can, I don't know if you can see it on the video, lots of chunks of wood and lumber. Not so much trash, but people use this marsh in the past as a dump. And I can't get in there to clean it out until the water recedes, so it's nice in the spring when everything is dead and brown, you can see all the trash, but when it's green In the summertime, you can't see anything. You won't believe how green this is. I'll make a, you know, another woods walk video like midsummer, late summer, and you can't even see through here. It's just solid green. But right now, you know, there's junk. I'd call it junk, not trash, but like just pressure treated lumber, bricks, flower pots, just all kinds of crap that people threw in here. Chunks of cement. You know, this is a piece of plastic privacy fence, I think, or something. It's half submerged. I'm gonna dig that out. But I want to dig all this out before it greens up because it's hard to see it. So if you know anybody that wants a vintage 1960s doghouse that needs a little bit of work, it's free. You can come get it. Or how about a metal pipe or a paver? This is kind of cool. Piece of steel. I'm gonna, gosh, my back. I'm gonna give stuff like this to my friend Captain Jack Scrapper. Big piece of railroad steel and these spikes. He can recycle those, get some good money for them. I've got a bunch of those and some other iron and steel. I'm gonna collect it, make a pile, have him come get it and recycle it. And a lot of wood too. We don't have any intentions to have a fire pit. We don't have any wood burning anything, so a lot of the seasoned firewood is going to be given away for free. Jack might know somebody that could use it. Back behind the shed, there's a whole bunch of it. It's not split though. It's big and it's heavy. Look how big this tree was. Can you imagine? Probably tipped over because it was rotted, I don't know, but somebody in the past cut it. But man, that was massive. And so was that one. All of these were. I don't even it would take a tractor to get this out of here. There's another one back there. Looks like the geese are fighting. I love this log. This is, you know, is a border for the treehouse. Good grief. It goes around. And you got wood chips. I could use some more wood chips or whatever this is for padding in case the kitties fall, but yeah, can't play in there now. So that's my woods walk flood version. Every spring, I'm sure this is a thing. No big deal. There, you can't see it from here, but there's a drain pipe that goes under the road. So if it gets any higher, it will drain under the road into my neighbor's property. And then he gets stuck with the water. So there you go. There's some cement down there. I might just leave that. I think the turtles might hibernate underneath that cement in the winter time, so I'll just leave that. But yeah, so this is a woods walk flooded version. I'm sure this is gonna happen every year, so this will probably be the only video I make of this unless it gets worse in the future. But that's it, guys. Midwest Picker battling the Canadian geese from Satan. Just kidding. Signing off till next time. See ya.